Which of the following below is represented on the number line? We have the number line here. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. On the number line, we can see that we have two inequalities. This is the first one and this is the second one. The question wants us to pick which option is describing these two inequalities. If we look at the first inequality, we can see that these are values that are less than or equal to -3. The circle here is shaded, so the inequality here is describing the values that are less than or equal to -3. So we can say that x is less than or equal to -3. This is the first inequality. Let's consider the second one. If we consider the second one, we will see that these are values that are greater than or equal to 0. The circle here is shaded, so the inequality is describing values that are greater than or equal to 0. And so we can say that x is greater than or equal to 0. So the two inequalities we have are x is less than or equal to -3 and x is greater than or equal to 0. So the inequality that best describes the number line is x is less than or equal to -3 or x is greater than or equal to 0. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D. S is such that x is less than or equal to -3 or x is greater than or equal to 0.